Otis elevators at La Fonda. Let's go to 5. Some more rooms over here. Looks like Bell Tower rooftop at La Fonda's closed. There's the view out. It's a cold January day. It's about 0 degrees Celsius with some wind chill. Come back down to 1. Take a look at the fixtures. Custom panel it looks like. Let's take a look at the cab. Let's look at the cab. Pretty nice. There goes the elevator. And I guess that's gonna be it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to check out more of my travel, be sure to check out more travel videos on my channel. Also some technology videos as well. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And also follow me on social media. I'm at Mr. Artie Penguin on Twitter and at JTSB on Instagram. Thanks for watching, everyone.